Metal roof panels dented by hail or debris can seriously mess up your home's look and protection, but fixing them doesn't have to be a huge headache. So, if you spot small dents on your metal roof panels, you can totally handle some repairs yourself with the right tools. First off, grab a rubber mallet or a specialized metal roof dent repair kit. You want something that won't crack the paint or cause more damage. Gently tap the dents from the inside out, taking your time to avoid overcorrecting. If the dent is on the outside, you can try pushing it out with a suction cup dent puller. Just make sure it's designed for metal surfaces. Keep in mind that repainting might be necessary after you fix the dents to keep things sealed and looking fresh. If the damage is way worse, like deep dents or holes from debris or hail, replacing the panel is your safest bet to avoid leaks and rust later on. When swapping panels, measure everything carefully and use rust-resistant screws to keep your roof tight and secure. Always wear gloves and safety glasses during any roof work because metal edges can be sharp and dangerous. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal roof panel dents is ignoring small damage, hoping it won't get worse. That's a fast track to leaks and rust spots. Another common issue is trying to fix big dents without the right tools or experience, which can make the problem worse or void your roof warranty. Last but not least, skipping repainting after dent repairs leaves metal exposed to weather, causing corrosion over time. To fix these issues, always address dents early even if they seem minor, use proper repair kits or call pros for major damage, and seal repaired areas with paint made for metal roofs. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to metal roof repairs and replacements. Contractors also get a chance to connect with new clients who really need their services, so everyone wins.